our 7-hole Chinese wok. First off, the overall dimensions. We have a length of 144 inches, a depth of 39 inches, and overall height from legs to the top of the splash, we have 61 inches tall. Please note that these Chinese woks can be custom made after ordering, and this is just an example of what we offered in terms of customization. On the top we have 7 wok rings. Each wok ring can be customized from 13 inches, 16 inches, or 18 inches. So your choice of 13, 16, or 18-inch wok holes can be customized. Each wok ring from the left and right column will be 13 inches in diameter, with the center upper flush measuring 17.5 inches wide. Again, these Chinese woks are made after ordering, and this is just an example of what we have to offer in terms of customization. Beneath each burner will be drip pans. Each strip pan will measure 19.5 inches in length by 31 inches depth. Measures apply for the widest pan. And measurements for the narrow pan will include 14.5 inches in length, also by 31 inches in depth. Each oil pan can be removed and inserted back into their slots. And on the center will be the main basket or pan to collect the excess and any debris. The measurements for the basket pan will include 5 3/4 inches in length by 16 inches in depth. The basket can be inserted back into the center slot, right into its position. On the floor we have 4 faucets, and each swivel head faucet will include 14 inches in length. The amount of faucets can be customized upon request. Right here we have 4 faucets. And on top of the faucet will be 2 bars for storage. Coming to the bottom is the NSF certification along with the BTU information for the 7-hole Chinese wok. Beneath each burner are knee-level operated valves, and coming to the center will be the ignition for on and off. Coming to the top center is this customized burner, along with single jet burners for each individual 13-inch wok rings in this entire row. Coming to the back of the Chinese wok is your copper pipe for the water connection. For all questions, give us a call or visit our website coolerdepotUSA.com for more information on this product. Thank you.